Kavyama, can you say English rhymes? Say chubby chicks.
Chubby cheeks,
Hmm.
dimple chin,
Hmm.
smiley lips,
Hmm.
eating,
Ah.
curly hair,
Ah.
hair and play,
Ah.
eyes are blue,
Ah.
lovely too,
Ah.
kiss and spec,
Ah.
either true, yes, yes, yes.
Very good, Kavyama. Clap yourself. Very good. Now you say twinkle twinkle, Kavya.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Very good. Clap yourself, Kavya. Very good. Now can you say Johnny Johnny?
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha, ha, ha.
Very good. Clap yourself. Very good. Kavya, can you say two little dicky birds?
Two little birds and
Okay. Learn properly. Can you say one two buckle my shoe, Kavyama?
one, two, buckle my shoe.
Hmm.
E4.
Very good. Learn it properly, okay? You did not learn that one. Then teddy bear, Kavyama.
Teddy bear, can I am. Teddy bear, can choose.
Very good. You learned that also properly, Kavyama. Kavyama, do you know I Hear Thunder? Okay, learn that. ABCD song?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good. Clap yourself, Kavyama. Very good. So